We're going to get to Salt Lake City here in a couple months. Checkered flags in a wave. The Supercross Championship will be over, and you'll have a choice to make, which is to ride off into the sunset, crazy career, fantastic career, or sign up and keep going. So my question, Eli, is what are we doing after Salt Lake City?
Well, after Salt Lake City, I'm not done racing. I officially signed up for motocross and the SMX round. So I'm racing all the way until the SMX rounds through September.
But we're 100%. We're done. It's time. You're racing the pro motocross and the super motocross.
Correct. It's done.
Well, there you have it. From Eli Tomac's mouth himself in an interview saying he's going to be racing not just supercross this year, but motocross and the super motocross playoffs. So if you're looking for some competition this year in the summer, well, you're going to have it. You're not going to have one guy missing. He's got the whole year, all the playoffs, all the races, everything going, and it's great. Personally, I don't think he's done yet. I'm pretty sure if he wins Supercross this year, wins Motocross, and wins the SMX, I bet you see him back for next year. But in the comments below, you tell me, how well do you think he's going to do in SMX or the Super Motocross playoffs in outdoors? Because obviously he's very good in both Supercross and outdoors. How's he going to finish this year in the Supercross Championship, win, whatever you want to do? And as you're going down there, commenting, make sure to like, share, subscribe to all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really helps me out playing the YouTube algorithm game. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.